Hey, I'm Helen with Floating Yoga School. Your feet do so much for you, from your yoga practice to your day-to-day activities. And if you're anything like me, you're probably not showing them enough love. And that's why I was so excited to get a sample of the Lanveur Skincare 3-Step Foot Care Bundle. The first step is the comforting Herbal Soak. It's like a chamomile tea for your feet. Open up the sachet, pour it into a basin or a bath, and let your feet soak for 15 to 20 minutes. The smell is amazing. Your feet already feel so relaxed right after without doing anything else, and you can tell things are starting to work. The second is the Soothe and Repair Foot Mask. I love a good mask. Usually I do some for my face, and this was a nice chance to get some for my feet, kind of get my roots a little bit softened. And then the third step is the Ultra Softening Foot Cream. I've been using this one for about a week, and I can really tell the difference in how my feet look and feel. If you're interested and want to try it for yourself, I have a 20% off code, Balanced by Helen. Go to lanveurbotanica.com to check it out and see what else they have to offer.